Stop buying bland dips. This authentic tzatziki turns creamy, garlicky, and restaurant-perfect in just 5 minutes. 1 cup thick Greek yogurt. 1 small cucumber grated. 2 cloves garlic, finely minced. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon fresh dill, finely chopped. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Grate the cucumber, then squeeze out all the water using your hands or a cloth. This is the secret to thick, non-watery tzatziki. In a bowl, add Greek yogurt and the drained cucumber. Mix in minced garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. Add fresh dill, salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Stir everything until smooth and creamy. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes so the flavors blend perfectly. If you taste this once, you'll never go back. Comment tzatziki if you'd actually try this at home.